Okay, missing key.
Found.
Lock and tight. Belt was laying somewhere where I could get to it.
Fender.
Oh, somebody moved it for me. So, I wonder which way they moved it. Because I purposely laid it out where I could put it back the same way it came out.
No idea.
Easy writings out like that. You always want to put them back the same way they came in, or took them out. So. You know, they get a stress in a certain area. Okay. Jeez, that's tight. Okay, it's not quite straight up and down. So you look inside the hub and make sure the key is about straight up and down. So that way it goes right back in easily. No idea what the belt is. There's some way you can help a little bit.
It's back here on there.
Yeah, well, I can't do it that direction. So. Damn piece of shit. Hold it in the front. Push it in there. You in the front? Okay, bend that up over that. That goes this way. That's good, I got it from here. Key goes in. Missing flashlight. Make sure the key is inside the keyway where it belongs. Not standing up in the air.
Mm-hmm.
You got your lock tab goes in there. Stick it in there where it belongs. It's in there. Then you put the nut in there. This one's a backwards one. So you unscrew it to tighten. Here, along over there. Be tight enough. Big screwdriver pops the tab down. That's good enough. Can't see in there anymore. The flashlight disappeared again. Yep, almost. Go to a different one. There it goes. That one's down. See?
Nice.
Helps if you can see in there at all. Roll it back a little bit to let it self-center. This motor's junk. That's the compression for it. So. Tight enough. Slight amount of free play. Check it when it's hot too. I like a little bit of free play, but if you drive really hard, you need to tighten them up a little more. You gotta see it when it's hot. It might move around a little bit. If you get them too hot, it just burns up the bearings and the training. These 4-speeds aren't made to take side loads on everything. Okay, where's our clutch at? Appears to be dry. It's best to have a little moisture on the tip. Now this is the one that was not adjustable on the screw. Still might have to deal with that yet. Sure we will. Sure these are nice and rusty, so I'll put a little lube on them to de-rustify them so you can adjust them. How big is this motor? Stock cylinder, so we're assuming it's a stock motor. That means we don't have to pack the springs in super tight. Plus I don't think it has much power, so there's a reason not to do it. Her grip strength is probably not that high. Ooh, it moved. I don't believe it. Penetration works, eh? Oh, look at that. I'm shocked that came off that easy.
Oh no. Are you kidding me? What the hell?
Not even is this broken. This is broken. Whole pivot's broken.
You barely touched it.
My fault, huh?
Yeah.
I gotta eat that part now? It's all my fault I touched it. Yeah. It's been falling down on more than one occasion.
Couple times, huh?
Yeah. Cable's bone dry too. It's lubricated with rust. Alright. I think I need to go get me another lever. It looks like a polished one. So we'll get a polished one. Not broken yet. Obviously there's something wrong with it.
Flare.
Leave my mark. The only clean part of the whole bike. Alright.
Well,
Trying to move the bike down to my height.
thought you were gonna try to fix it.
Check the timing. I remember what put it in.
What's that?
Check the timing. That's why it came in. Oh, you think I'm going to weld that up?
Yeah, that's what I'm.
Yeah, you probably would want me to weld that up. Just because I can do it doesn't mean I should do it. I already went through that once already today.
Yeah.
You need to do it twice in a row. CCI mirrors. Dumbass. Turn it backwards. You got so many stupid mirrors like this.
Yeah.
It's a new one on their confuser. Yeah, I still got a lot of this old crap from the 80s and 90s floating around here. Stuff never seems to go away for some reason.
Too bad. Whoever designed that.
Too bad for me.
Yeah.
I gotta deal with it. I have a working clutch. I don't know what to do.
Working shifter.
Yep, that too. That goes with a clutch.
Yeah.
Jeez. Wonder if the throttle works. Probably not.
I wouldn't touch it.
Can't believe how much of a dog this would have been with as retarded as it was. The motor's already got no compression, so I bet you this thing's only got like a 90-pound cylinder pressure. Yeah, stomach's getting hungry. Why? We had one thing of graham crackers a day.
Yeah.
I was gonna be home early tonight, like 10.
10.
All right, see the lubricant they use in there? It's called Rust. It's not a good lubricant. Probably matches down here too. This is that old braided stuff that cuts into you as soon as you touch it. Yeah, I can't even move the damn thing. It's rusted in. I should know better to touch this. But I've never been accused of being smart. So. Oh, look at that. Oh, jeez. Looks like it should now. This is cable lube. You lube the shit out of your cables with it, it works a lot better. You notice all that brown stuff coming off the up in there? It's probably not the correct lubricant material to be using.
Goes.
Okay, I'm gonna go up here and put a little up here. Maybe we'll put more. Maybe work it in. First lubricant this had in 20 years, I bet. Probably the cable didn't break yet. All right. We don't want to overdo it. Awful might happen. Might actually work. All right, where's the new parts at? Look at the quality of the new stuff you get. It's just super tight clearances. Makes
Already broken in.
It doesn't make any noise. All that good stuff. Okay, now these here bushings go from the inside out. See how this has a split? Put the split away from where you pull against it. So when you pull on something, the pressure's right here, not here. So you put the split over here. Go ahead and install it in there. If you leave them on the outside like they come in a package, like dumbasses do, they fall out. Now you take this one and do the same thing, except it goes the opposite direction. Yeah, now it's installed correctly. Then you got the pull pin. Now the cable goes in that part there. Now if you want to make it really hard on yourself, you flip it around backwards like this, we have no access. I'm not stupid, so I put it the way I can put it in. So now you go in there, You feed the cable in here, drop it in, it's got the barrel drops right in from the top, and you pull it in, it's in. You don't have to fight it. Imagine that. All you gotta do is have enough room to get to it, that's all. Being a dumbass. For some reason, doesn't want to go in the hole. Wants to rotate it up. Wonderful. So, obviously something's wrong. Fingers are full of oil is one problem. All right, let's go see why this doesn't fit. I'd say that's probably the problem right there. What do you think? Doesn't want to go in there
Yep.
for obvious reasons.
Too big.
It's snug right there. I can live with snug on that, but that's right there. Goes in when you get way up there. Okay. I think it pulled out another ½ inch there. Did you notice that?
Mhm.
Click. So maybe we have enough room this time. Oh, look at that. I'm not fighting it this time. Yeah, whatever wasn't engaged in it either became disengaged or it slid up where it belongs. Looks like it might have came out. It's a lot longer than it was. That means put more lube in it, right? Can't ever have enough lubricant. Right now it's interfering on that same barrel piece. There it goes. Force it in there, that's how you do it. Sometimes the aftermarket parts don't play nicely with other pieces. Has to be a mark right on the handlebar where it goes. I knew I was going to lose one of them. Alright, I don't want to be lower. Look at that. The lock and the screw are within 2 inches of each other.
Nice.
Alright. Add about in that area there. You can't pull there, you can pull way up here, so it's too close. Move it up a little bit. And you gotta pull it, your hands on the grip. I'm sure they got the angle set just perfect on these, so I'll make them the same on both floors. Yeah, they're not even equal, same thing. We'll go with that one.
Looks
They don't
good.
like it, they can move it. They probably don't know about that part either.
Yep.
Okay, now I can do that. Install this. See the levers coming out? Comes out. Yeah, it's still pretty crappy. It's still pretty bad. You can hear your cable working, it's not good. And these all through here. Tight through here.
Yeah, it's got a bunch of bends here too.
We got more bent. Oh, that's right on top of the exhaust pipe.
Yeah, it's all
good. Oh, they didn't zip tie that thing in there. Oh, that's wonderful.
It's all kind of bent up there.
I got a cure for that. Except these aren't very good. Dikes. Here's the fixed clutch issues where they don't work right.
Yep.
Cut the damn things free.
Look at the size of that zip tie.
There you go. Look at that. Now it's not on the pipe no more. It's free to float. Still makes all kinds of noise though.
It's just stuck behind the tank.
That's so nice. Yeah, that is just nice and free. So you need to take the cable completely off and lubricate the whole thing.
Yeah.
Or just put a new one in there, it won't hurt. Okay. We're going to go ahead and give a little bit of free play up here. That should be enough for her. Now we got to adjust the clutch. And these springs look like they're packed in there pretty good right now. See, for me, that's not a problem, but I'm trying to avoid extremely heavy clutch for her. Soft side. See how the clutch is coming out here and not over here? Back them off more over there. Tighten this one up one. Trying to make it work evenly. See from the top view how this goes more even now.
Yeah.
And you turn it 90 degrees. Turn it 90 degrees. Check it again. It's relatively even. Now you don't look at this piece, you look at the inner edge when you rotate it. And obviously you want it to be turning square. Fairly even. That's pretty good. I don't care what this does, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
If this gets really, really out of whack, then take the springs out, take a couple of these, put them over here and reverse them. Put it back together, it might fix the problem. Then it comes out more even. So we got quite a bit of distance between here. So it's a real light clutch right now. 2-finger clutch.
Nice.
Now if you had a good cable, it'd be a 1-finger clutch. But
Yeah.
the problem is the clutch might slip now because it's so soft. tell them to tighten up a little bit if it needs it. We'll let free play out. So we got good free play too. It's releasing. If I can do that, it's releasing. So we're going to lock this down right there. Enough. Double check. Looking good. Alright, so you adjust that. This here doesn't have any real lubricant on here anymore, so you have to put it on there. I don't know how much you use it electric start. Probably all. I don't think it's a kicker anymore, was there? It's all electric start. There's no
Only.
kicker. There's the thrust washer. At least it's still in there. The bearings look really good. It's like non-existent almost. It's a good thing we got some fresh lube in it, right? So much for this quick half-hour job, right? That's not the right size at all. That works a lot better when you put the right one in there. Make sure you get these all started before you send it home. Supposed to be a dowel pin hole in the center underneath there, so we don't know where it's sitting right now. The screws feel like crap. Ooh. Put tightening that one. Hopefully it works.
Fingers crossed.
Find out, I guess. Alright, what did I hook it back up? Belt's adjusted and tight. Clutch is kind of hooked up. This sounds great. Okay, we actually moved the wire underneath the frame here now so it doesn't get pinched between the damn frame and the seat. And we got the bolt right here. Goes like that. Felt fluid in here somewhere. Not this little one either. Where's the big one? There it is. Sure they're tight. When I can move them, that means they're loose. Alright, that's better. Now, see how this thing's up in the air a little bit?
Might rub on something.
Do an adjustment tool here. Well, it makes the cable fit better.
Oh yeah.
Little adjustment tools work wonders for adjusting things. This is a custom seat here.
Ooh.
That's good work there. There must be at least one roll of tape.
Must be fun on a hot day.
She moved her butt forward, which helps her a little bit. She's short. She really need to have a seat made where you move all the way up to here, put a real hard back on it.
Yeah.
So you're actually moving forward where you belong. She's actually probably sitting right here, not here. You can actually move your butt up to here if you make the seat right, come up a little bit like that. Be a lot better, but you'd actually have to pay somebody to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Her problem, she needs to get her legs more straight like being in a chair. So you have your feet way far forward like everybody likes to ride them. Alright, that tightened up. Amazing.